Relying on the old 1% rule for home maintenance in 2026 is a dangerous gamble that could leave you with a maxed-out credit card the moment your HVAC system fails. For decades, experts told you to save 1% of your home's value each year for repairs. But with the massive surge in labor and material costs, that math simply no longer works. In today's market, you should be aiming for the 3% rule, especially if you are living in a home that was built more than 15 years ago. Major systems like your roof, water heater, and electrical panel all have expiration dates, and in 2026, replacing them costs nearly double what it did just 5 years ago. The smartest way to handle this is by setting up a dedicated home reserve high-yield savings account and automating a monthly transfer based on your property's square footage and age. You can stick closer to 1% for the first few years, but you must increase that percentage as the builder's warranties begin to expire. Ignoring routine maintenance, like cleaning your gutters or servicing your furnace, might save you a few $100s today, but it will cost you tens of thousands in premature failures later. Properly funding your maintenance account isn't just about fixing leaks. It's about protecting your home's equity and ensuring your property value continues to climb. Don't let a surprise repair steal your peace of mind. Date your budget now to reflect the reality of 2026. Homeownership